Today, Agri-Biz International YouTube channel is going to talk with you about the relationship between sulfur and nitrogen in plant nutrition. You know there are very close independent relationship available with sulfur and nitrogens, especially the crop like tea, rice, wheat, and oilseeds, because both these nutrients are very especially essential for protein synthesis and various metabolic activities. So therefore we have to identify, as a farmer or crop manager or the agronomist, we should have in-depth understanding between the nitrogen and sulfur. So you can see this picture. So it shows that we have given similar amount of nitrogen to the plants, but the deficit available with the sulfur. So the where enough nitrogen available but there is no enough sulfur, that shows some yellow colors. That means nitrogen efficiency is directly impact on the availability of sulfur. So that is called mutual efficiency. Mutual efficiency mean the availability of sulfur deficiency is directly impact on nitrogen efficiency. Availability of sulfur or deficiency of sulfur directly impact on nitrogen efficiency. This is called mutual efficiency. The sulfur efficiency is directly impact on nitrogen efficiency. So therefore we should have basic understanding what is the relationship between sulfur and nitrogen in the field. So you can apply a lot of nitrogen source to the field. If there is deficit in sulfur, it is show nitrogen deficiency or nitrogen accuracy will go down. So you know what is the deficiency of sulfur in the normal agricultural fields? The young leaves become yellowing. At the time of nitrogen deficiency, the older leaves become yellow. So these are the basic two characters of sulfur deficiency and the nitrogen deficiency. So as a farmer, as an agronomist, you should have that understanding. So you have to ensure the correct sulfur level in the field, otherwise your nitrogen efficiency or nitrogen fertilizer efficacy will go down. So therefore you should focus on maintain relationship between sulfur and nitrogen as a ratio. Nitrogen to sulfur ratio should be around 10 to 1%. 15 to 1% is the best for the crop like tea, maize, oilseed like crops. So you have to maintain 10 to 1 or 15 to 1 ratio in sulfur to nitrogen ratio, otherwise you will drop down your crop efficiency, yield will go down. So therefore maintain nitrogen to sulfur ratio is 10 to 1 or 15 to 1.